Good afternoon, this is Joyce. I will represent the construction update until to the end of July for you. Now, please check the video, follow up with us to check the construction process.
Building A4, second floor to fourth floor electrical and plumbing pipes installation completed 100%. Interior and exterior wall plastering completed 100%. Building A5, second floor masonry completed 15%. Third floor masonry completed 95%. Fourth floor masonry completed 90%. Second floor to fourth floor electrical and pipings installation completed 80%. Building E structure construction completed 100%. First floor masonry completed 95%. Second floor masonry completed 60%. Third floor masonry layout completed 100%. First and second floor, electrical and plumbing pipes installation completed 80%. Building D, structure construction completed 100%. Second floor, masonry completed 8%. Third floor, masonry layout completed 100%. Building C, roof slabs in Zone C2 completed 100%. Form work of the fourth floor slab in Zone C1 completed 60%. Building B, second floor in Zone B1 completed 100%. First floor in Zone B2 completed 85%. Basement walls completed 65%. Building A1, Building A2, Building A3, structure construction completed 100%. East wall of Building A5, precast piles completed 100%. Concrete pouring of the wall beams completed 80%. Construction activities for next month. Building A4 will be focused on installation of exterior aluminum alloy sliding doors and the roof observation deck. Building A5, Building E, Building D, Building A1, Building A2, Building A3 will be focused on masonry construction. Building C and Building B will focus on structure construction. The construction of the riverbank retaining wall will keep on going. Construction of the road in the east side of Building A5 will keep on going.
All of this is the construction process for July. Thank you for watching. See you next month.